Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jasha, and don't forget to show yourself by subscribing down below. So, as you guys know, we're in Scorpio season. And obviously, I'm a Scorpio, and as you've seen from today's video title, I'm doing a doll skill Scorpio season haul. Yay! For every Zodiac season, DOLLS puts together a few of their closing items or maybe new items to go along with the Zodiac sign that we're in season of. Right now, since October 23rd to November 22nd, we are on Scorpio season. So I got together a few little clothing items from DOLLS for just to, get into my Scorpio vibe, my Scorpio mood. First item from my DOLLS haul is the one that I'm actually wearing. It's a cute mesh top. It has a cute stars and moon and the scorpion going on the top. So this top is very meshy, guys, so you guys can see. I added this two top under my shirt so to cover my bra and all that for this video. You guys can use it with a cute bra, or you can just use the mesh top as it is and show your nipples. Do whatever, Here you guys can see the details of the scorpion, the yin yang, the moon. This mesh top is from this brand, Horoscopez, from DOLLS.com. Look how cute is this tag. The skirt is sold separately. It's also meshy, but it has like an underlay at the bottom, so it's not that see-through. And honestly, I love it. Okay, so next item from my DOLLS haul. This one is also from the same brand, Horoscopez. Okay, it's a cute spaghetti strap with adjustable straps dress. It's also kind of like a meshy kind of material with an underline at the bottom. This print has a lot of the Scorpio horoscope vibes with a little bit of gothic items right in there. Also included with the dress is this long sleeve mesh. I think you call it shrug, something like that. I don't know. Leave the comment down below whatever this is called, but literally you just put this over the dress, and this is so cute. I love when they have this finger cut out like this. It's so cute. I love it. Oh, and one thing that I really like about DOLLS is that they carry really small sizes, and I'm very tiny and it's very hard for me to find a perfect extra small. And honestly, when I see that there's an extra small size available, that's the size I'm choosing for. So yeah, next item is also from Horoscopez brand. Okay, this one is also extra small size. Look at this. This is just an oversized t-shirt. Look at this, guys. There's nothing in the bag, but look at this design. I know all my Scorpios out there are really gonna love this. It's representing, the 8th house. That's what we are. Oh my gosh, look at this Scorpio. This is so beautiful. And I'm really going up for that vibe, that new style of wearing like oversized t-shirt, dresses, hoodies. That's what I'm feeling this year. Next item for me from the entire Scorpio season options they had. This one for me was the most outstanding and I definitely love it at the moment I saw it. So how cute is this cropped puffy jacket? Like how cute is this? Also has the same print of the dress, also from the same brand, and I got this one in a size, let's see, the extra small size. I'm gonna go ahead and just try it on. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, I'm choking myself. Oh my gosh, how cute is this puffy jacket? And I love that it's like cropped. I really like this print and this like hood kind of thing in the back. Wow, it was kind of good. I kind of want to keep it on. Okay, and here the hood is also detachable. So you can see there's a zipper right here, so you can just take this off and just keep on the jacket like this. I was hoping it to be a little bit more better quality. I don't know, I think the print kind of looks a little bit off. I know, I just think they could have done something like more quality for this puffy jacket. But yes, it's moderate, it's very good. Next, I got the cutest item ever, and I knew this was one of the items I must get if I was gonna get a Scorpio season collection, you know. So this, obviously I'm not gonna show it to you guys in the video, but I will show you guys the material and the print. Wow, I don't know if this is gonna fit me. It looks kind of big. Wow, I don't know if this is gonna fit me. It's kind of big, but I don't care. I'm gonna make it fit somehow. But look at this. Well, maybe not this, but like the back of this tongue says Scorpio. Like what? I love it. This is exactly what a Scorpio is. This is exactly what a Scorpio needs for the season. Look at this. That's the print. It's a tongue, obviously. How cute is this protective layering? Has a little devil. That's cute. This, guys, is so cute. I love it. And it's also from this brand. And I got a size extra small on the tongue. Next item I got is this face mask that says Scorpio. This is the face mask, guys. Has like a cotton kind of fabric in the middle. I'm gonna easily put it on me. I'm gonna easily put it over me. I don't wanna ruin my makeup. Okay. Okay. This is just for the fit, guys. The fit, I'm showing off that I'm a Scorpio. Okay. Next, I got this cute pin from the same brand that also says Scorpio. I was thinking to add this pin on my mask, like just in the little corner there. Or I don't know, I might find a nice purpose to using this cute pin. Why not? Next item in the box I got for free, and it's actually a face mask as well, but it has the shape of a bat. Okay. I don't want to put it on my face. Something like this is what the face mask should look like. I don't know, I think it's super cute, it's super creepy. I will definitely use it, you know, just for fun. Okay, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment down below what do you think about the items that I chose for my Scorpio season haul. And to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. No te olvides de suscribirte a mi canal si no lo has hecho todavía. Los veo en el próximo video. See you in the next video. Bye! And happy Scorpio season to all my Scorpios out there. Creepy ass people.
Como ya la vi solita, pues me pregunté qué pasa cuando me bailó cerquita. Eso fue descomunal.